Hi, to fix battery not charging beyond 80% on iPhone 16e, firstly we need to open settings on the phone. So from here you need to find this section battery, and after that you would want to go in the step charging. And right now, if you set charging limit at 80% or 85, 90, 95, then you need to drag this dot to the 100% and choose to set limit to 100. Also, if you have enabled optimized battery charging, then you need to turn off this one as well by tapping on the switcher and in the list choose to turn off. This will allow your phone to charge to 100% as fast as possible every time you plug it into the charger. But disabling optimized battery charging may cause your battery to wear out faster in the long run. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.